We're quite confident on the efficacy data because we got very good efficacy data in mouse. And what we do is what we replicate what we found in mouse in dogs. This efficacy data should come within 5 months now.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Genflow Biosciences CEO, Dr. Eric Lyra. Eric, very good to speak with you. You've just signed confidential disclosure agreements with two major animal health companies. Why is this important for shareholders?
We're very excited about this discussion. As many people know, our core science is focused on tackling aging and muscle loss. The same approach we use for human has real potential for companion animals. For the shareholders, the impact is mostly three main points. One, it's obviously expanding our market potential. The global pet market is forecast to grow significantly. You know that owners seek now a solution to extend the lifespan and the quality of life of their aging dogs. Second, it's de-risking. De-risking because these deals have the potential to bring some non-diluting cash, so it diminishes the need for the capital requirement for the shareholders. And also very important and last point, third, it's a very good validation of our platform. Dogs and humans share the same, more or less the same biologic driver for aging. It's not the case for the mice. So everything we find in the mouse cannot be fully extrapolated to human. There's a better correlation with dogs. So it's very good for us scientifically. And therefore, it's increased the confidence in our chance of success in our human programs.
Eric, what's the initial feedback from these discussions?
The initial feedback was very encouraging. First, all the people we talked with were particularly impressed by the fact that we were able to manage those clinical trials. It's notoriously difficult, challenging, maybe even supposed to be impossible to recruit a large number of dogs, same breed, aged more than 10 years, and who've never been treated or never been involved in any other clinical trials. It was indeed difficult, but that was very impressive. Now, what really attracted the interest of the animal health companies was the safety. We have an initial data of safety with the first administration that's extremely good. When I say safety, I don't mean lack of adverse event or side effect. The fact that the administration was easy. That means that we have a product that could be translated into a commercially viable product. If the product was triggering any kind of discomfort in the dog, kind of fatigue or loss of appetite or anything of change in their behavior, I think it will be difficult to move on with this product. So this initial data, of course, of safety has to be confirmed. And now what they're expecting is the efficacy data. We're quite confident on the efficacy data because we got very good efficacy data in mouse. And what we do is what we replicate what we found in mouse in dogs. This efficacy data should come within 5 months now. And we will continue to discuss with CDAs with these animal health companies. And we're very confident that the process is going according to the plan.
Eric, I hope you'll continue to keep us updated with your progress on that. Thank you very much for taking the time to speak with us today.
Thank you very much for your interest.
Dr. Eric Lyra, CEO of Genflow Biosciences.